ngiyasisaba iStella kuthiwa yini Stella Artois ayi izinto ezikhishwa abantu abahlonishwayo ngenxa nje iStella mase singene kahle sesigqabha ekhanda osisabi
sinenkinga kaMisuzulu kulomhlaba bafowethu. Sinenkinga kaMisuzulu, sinenkinga kaMisuzulu. Hayi ngeke madoda phela thina asingabizile masize sibone. Lo baba udlala ngathi lo. Hayi kazi bebikho mfethu inkosi nje. Yabona yama imobuka ko hayi bafowethu hayi Mazulu. Hayi ngeke lo baba lo siyamsenda lesihlalo. Whatever la ibhema yakayiyeke. Ngasho ngathi sizomnyanya lo baba. Kuzofela singamhloniphi khona ngoba hawu ngaze ngaphoxeka ngama videos akhe ethuka inhlamba. Kodwa nina ngoba neziphupho nizoledwa awilo ababa akasekho la baba. Ngisho umbuka nje emzimbeni akasekho la baba. Hayi uMisuzulu akusayi hayi lede kanje manithanda lo baba akasekho la. Lo baba bekudukeni lo. Futhi uyahamba lo baba. Akafa noma yini. Yabona into ayidlayo izombulala.
Ayofana bakethi sakuthi kuphela inzuzo. Umasano usemshelelani kudlukulu. Hayi sakuthi kuphela inzuzo South Africa. Hayi lokhu sibabazile bafana sithi sababaza lokhu nabo Masana.
Kungakuhle nje ukuthi sivume nje ukuthi sonke siphoxekile. Sivume nje ukuthi sonke siphoxekile sidumele siuZulu. Thine besimthanda uMisuzulu. Siphoxekile nje sidumele. Kodwa lokho futhi akungasenzi ukuthi silokho sidefenda amanyala. Akungasenzi silokho sifuna indlela zokudefenda amanyala ukuze sishifte iso lethu kulento embi yenziwa inkosi yethu esiphethe. Silokho sibuza ukuthi ikhishweleni ivideo bekumele ngabe protectiwe one way or the other beloze livele iqiniso ukuthi uabusive. Ngoba mhlambe njoba sibona lokho ukuthi uyathukanisa nje kungenzeka ukuthi kungaphekwa lokho akwenzayo. One way or the other besokuthola umuntu oabusive uba abusive ngazo zonke indlela. Ngelinye ilanga besothuka esemklinyile unkosikazi njoba esidlamlilo kanje bese sonke sithi wayithuleleni kodwa nangu uyasikhiphela ivideo ukuthi inkosi abusive sonke sithi uyikhipheleni ivideo bekumele amvikele. Asivume nje ukuthi sisenhlungwini kodwa asingadefend amanyala. Ngoba vele abantu aba-abusive vele kufanele benziwe kanje. Umuntu mayek-abuse kufanele kuvele ugcina ulivezele izwi ukuthi ukuphilisa impiloni ukuze singabi surprised abantu mase kuthiwa ubulewe kwasho kwacima kanjani sesifaka ama blame komunye umuntu oabusive vele em-expose. Asingakuvikelike ngoba sekuyinkosi yethu ene verbal abuse njeyaya. Cha asingakuvikeli bafowethu musani ukwenza ngathi isizwe sakaZulu kune side la esivumela khona iGBV. Musani ukusenza sibukeke kabi kwezinye izizwe kuzothiwa manje hayi sathi thina ngoba inkosi yethu hayi bekumele kufihlwe. No guys no silimele yebo silimele sonke kubhlungu. Angase ngibuya ngake ivideo ngizubhlungu enhlizweni yami ukuthi nje hawu saze saphoxeka. Kodwa it doesn't change the fact ukuthi wrong lento ayenzayo. And akungenzi lokho ngithi khishweleni ivideo ngoba lokho kuzobe sengenza ngisusiso lami kwinto okuyiyona yena okubhekweni nayo ukuthi uyahlukumeza lo muntu mayenza kanjeya. Nina ngabe niyakhulumela ukuthi kusukuma amadoda eyomcorrector, kusukuma amadoda athile eyokhuluma naye. Hayi ukuthi nilwele ukuthi ivideo ikhishwe kanjani. Cha. Silimele yebo.
Ngiyeza abafethu abantu abaningi bafuna ukuyivuna inkosi. Yabona inkosi yayilahle ekuqaleni. Kwakhala isizwe sonke sathi hayibo nangu bayede ifuna ukuvusa isizwe ngenkanuko yothando. Ayenziwe into njengale. isilo asidleli esithebeni esisodwa nabafokazana kwakhuzwa from the start inkosi yenza ngendlela yayo ubayedekelwa kaphikiswa yabo ubayedelwa kaphikiswa khona izingane ezincane emhlangene engakazi sizeyithinto ezofunda kuwena yonke into iyalela imiyalelo yakho zingayeqi hayi uthatha umuntu ozothi mawuphikisana naye athi nina abantu besilisa nje osaza abantu besilisa inkosi phela imiyalelo yenkosi ayeqiwa ithina sabafokazana kangakanani-ke umuntu osendlini nayo umuntu ombathe ngobene yodwa nayo ozovela avuka agqoke ijezi lekhe ezihamba ubukela iSoweto Derby egroundini ngaphandle kokutshela inkosi uthi uyalapho inkosi iyagowa manje igowise umuntu kodwa khona intombi inqwaba emhlangene ngaze ithinto umuntu yabo imphumela ke yokufuna ukuvusa umuzi ngenkanuko yothanda ayenziwe into njengaleyo bafethu uma ngabuya inkosi yabo njengamanje ayishayeke leli ichilo lenze kahle la vele obala lo muntu oshuthile wenze kahle wavela obala uveza kona vele ukuthi kwaku wrong from the start lento ayenziwe yabo ayishayeke inkosi khona izokwazi ukubuyela kwe drawing board ukuze ikwazi ukufundisa namazenyane ayo ukuthi bantu abami ningalinge nenze iphutha elenziwe yimina nazi intombi emhlangene umuntu ongazilutho ozofunda kuwena yonke into hayi umuntu osazi omunye umuntu uyinkosi ngoba uzokweqa imiyalelo yakhe imiyalelo yenkosi ijulile.
Anyway, guys, Mzansi react to the shocking video of the King Mrs. Zulu and his wife. So, on the video, he was insulting his wife. I don't know who took a video, guys. I think it is the wife who was taking the video, guys. So right now, guys, people are reacting. There's a lot of division when it comes to the situation. Others are saying the biggest mistake or King and Mrs. Zulu was to marry umuntu onezingane, guys. As a king, you don't do that. Others are saying they do understand the wife, for recording their conversation because she needed evidence. If wahamba angana evidence, we were going to say a lot as a country, because one thing about us, guys, judgana. When it comes to judging, I guess we hold cum laude here in South Africa, guys. So others are saying, you know what, the woman, she's been begezeling it. That's why she say, you know what, let me record this person and let me expose. Others are saying, no, you have to respect the king. Akwazi ukuthi nje inkosi iyakhuluma wena so we are record bese we are post on social media. I don't think the wife, she's the one who posted to social media, guys. You know, at the end of the day, when you saw something, maybe something happened to you, you will share with your friends, with your mom, with your cousin, with your siblings. One of the family member, maybe from the wife's side, is the one who linked the video to the social media, guys. Maybe the wife wanted to show this is what I'm going through every day, guys. So guys, there's a lot of division, guys. I see there are women that are standing no King Mrs. Zulu, guys, is saying we understand now umuntu, guys. You can hear on the video he's saying you know, I spent 10 million rand, guys. There's a lot of stuff. Some they say we do understand the woman. So guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.